Good morning, everyone present here. Welcome to 5th Standard English class. I would like to extend my warmest wishes to you all on the beginning of the next academic year. Let me first congratulate to those who attained the high grades. Okay, today we are going to see poem The Chamba Flower. Poem The Chamba Flower, written by Rabindranath Tagore. The Chamba tree has taken its name from a beautiful poem, The Chamba Flower. It recited this wonderful verse by Rabindranath Tagore back in 1907. He imagines a young boy who decided he morphed himself into a chamba flower high up in the tree. Okay, first I read the poem. Listen carefully. Supposing I became a chamba flower just for fun and grew on a branch high up the tree and shook in the wind with laughter and answer of the newly budded leaves. Would you know me, mother? You would call, baby, where are you? And I should laugh to myself and keep quiet. I should shyly open my petals and watch you at your work. When after you bath with wet hair spread on your shoulders, you walk through the shadow of the chamba tree to the little court where you say your prayers. You would notice the scent of the flower, but not know that it come from me. Next, take page number 9. When after the midday meal you sat at the window reading the Ramayana and the tree's shadow fell over your hair and your lap, I should fly my wee little shadow onto the page of your book. Just we are reading, but you guesses to registered it was the shadow of your little child. When in the evening you went to the house girl with the lighted lamp in your hand, I should suddenly drop to the earth again and be your own baby once more, and begs you to tell me a story. Where you have been, you naughty child, I won't tell you, mother. That's what you and I would say then. By Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, student, listen. Let's start the discussion. The poem. The poet wants to be a chamba flower. Chamba flower growing on broad branch of a chamba tree. Okay, the poet wants to be chamba flower growing on a branch of a chamba tree. Then he would dance and loud and his mother would not know him. Then one she would search for him. She would search for him, and the poet would him quiet from his positions of the tree. The poet would watch over his mother. The mother while she was at work. The mother is she was at work. When the mother after the bath with her walked past the tree, she would smell the scent of the flower and it not recognize it come from her child. After the meals, when the mother sit at the window to read the Ramayana, to shadow of the chamba flower would fall on her, but she would not realize that the shadow was of her child. Okay, listen. In the evening, when his mother went to the house guard with the lamp. Okay, student, understand. Next, the flower would drop on the earth. His mother would then wonder where her child had been the whole day. Okay, the chamba tree has taken from a beautiful poem. Okay, the beautiful poem, The Chamba Flower. Okay, student, thank you. Next class we will discuss the question answer and extract. Thank you.